Hey everyone, this is Sultan with WPFunnels. Today we will look at how you can use conditional steps in your funnel journey. Basically, you might want to create a scenario where you want to take people into different offers or different pages in your funnel based on their actions, and you can easily do that in WPFunnels. Let us see how. As you can see, I'm in the funnels tab in WPFunnels, and here are all the funnels that I created listed. So what I'm going to do is, for this video, I'm going to create a new funnel. So let's just click on add new funnel and let's start from scratch. So I'm not going to choose any layout, so I'm just going to choose conditional funnel as the title of the funnel, and I'm just going to create this. So this will take me to a blank canvas. So for this funnel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare a 4 steps funnel where I'm going to offer a certain products. Okay, so let's just click on new step and start with a landing step. So let's just choose this one, and I'm going to import a single page template for the landing step. There you go, it's added. If I preview this, you can see the design of the page is already there. I can edit this and change the content of it to match my offer. After the landing, I'm going to go to the checkout page, in which I'm going to offer the main product that I'm going to promote in the landing page. So when you create a funnel in the checkout, you need to assign the product that you're going to promote through the landing page. So when someone accepts that offer in the landing page, they're going to go to the checkout, and that's the product they're going to be paying for. So when I added the checkout step, I have to add the product for the checkout. Just click on this icon and then click on add product, and then choose the product you want to offer. So let's say I'm going to offer the microphone and add it. There you go. So this is added. So now I have a landing page and a checkout page. Next, I want to offer an upsell after the checkout. So when someone takes the checkout offer, I want to offer them an additional product as upsell. So let me click on add step and add an upsell step. Okay, let's say this one. So there you go. And just like checkout, you also need to assign what product you're offering in the upsell. So basically, when someone goes to the upsell page, if they accept it, what product they're going to be paying for. So that's the one you're going to assign. Click on this and let's just add a related product. So let's say a shock mount, which is pretty good with the microphone. So in the checkout, I've offered a microphone. So in the upsell, I'm offering a shock mount, and you can configure the discounts and everything over here. We have separate videos to show you how you can exclusively use upsell in different scenarios. So I'm gonna keep a link to in the description with those videos. All right, for this video, I'm just gonna focus on what I'm trying to show you, the conditional journey feature. Okay, and after all of this, let's just end the journey with a thank you page. Okay, so there you go. And now I have a 4 steps funnel, a landing page, a checkout page, and an upsell page, and then a thank you page. So now below all the steps before thank you page, you can see there's this option at the end of the steps, which looks like there are 2 journeys. So those are basically the conditional journey option. If you click on that icon, let's say for the checkout, it's going to open up a window where you can choose to set up a condition based on which the next steps will be defined. So if I enable this, you can see at the back end, there has been 2 journeys created. Let me close this window. You can see after checkout, now you have 2 journey. When the condition is true, it's going to take the journey on the top. When the condition is false, it's going to take the below journey, right? So let's just go back to that window again. Here, I can set conditions for the checkout step, either for order bump or the cart total, or if there's a billing country, or if someone has accepted opt-in from back in the landing. I can choose all of those options over here. So let's say if I choose that if the order bump is accepted, the condition is true. Based on that, I have to choose which step they'll go next. So I already have an upsell page. I'm going to do that. For the negative condition, where will they go? So let's just choose to add a new step, and let's just add a new downsell step. So if someone accepted the order bump, I'm going to offer them a greater thing in the upsell. If someone didn't want to take the order bump at all, I'm going to make him a different offer as a downsell step. So once I do that and save this and go back, you can see in the canvas that when someone has accepted order bump offer in checkout, they're going to go to the upsell. If they did not, they're going to go to the downsell. Now for this particular funnel, I didn't add any order bump, so using this condition doesn't make sense. So I'm going to go back and disable this condition. There you go. Once you disable it, they're gone. But do remember that before you disable that, make sure you really want to do that, because once you disable, the pages you created there will be removed. you cannot get them back. So make sure to do that. All right. And if you really want to keep those pages, save them as templates in your page builder so that you can reuse them later. Okay. Now, similar to checkout, you have these conditions for the landing as well, based on the opt-in form submission. So if you have an opt-in form in the landing page, you can set a condition that when someone submits an opt-in form, they'll go to one journey. If they did not, they're going to go through a separate journey. You can do that. At the same time, for the upsell, you also have an option to do that. Let's just go for the condition. So you can see that you have the option to set a condition based on the upsell acceptance, or you can choose conditions based on their previous actions in the funnel, such as what country they're from, or if they've accepted order bump in the checkout. So you can actually get conditions tracked from the landing page till now to set this conditional journey. Okay, so you have all this control. For now, let's just keep it simple. If upsell is accepted, I'm going to take him to the thank you page. Okay, I'm not going to offer him anything. If upsell is rejected, I would rather offer him a downsell offer with something that he can afford. All right. So usually when people reject upsell, there can be two reasons. One is they don't need it. Okay. But the other reason might be that maybe the price of the upsell product is too high for him. So what the best option here is to choose to offer him something of a lower price. So in case it's the second reason they're rejecting it, they might be able to afford something that you offer in the downsell. Okay. So once I'm done, let me save this and go back. And again, here, similar to the upsell, I have to assign a product to the downsell. So let's say if the shock mount was not affordable, let's just try something else. Maybe the pop filter will do the trick. So I'll just add that here and save it. Okay. And then I can, add further steps to this journey. So let's say after downsell, I'm going to have another thank you step similar to the previous one. All right. And it's just going to work fine. Okay. There's no problem there. So we have all of those options right over here. And when you set up the conditions, it's going to work based on the user's action. So right now, the funnel I've set up a condition that if they accept the upsell, they're going to go directly to the thank you. If they don't, they're going to get an additional downsell offer. Okay. Obviously, when you configure this, you need to edit and design the pages and update the content over there to match the offer you're making. So for the upsell, if you edit this and go to the Elementor edit mode, you can see that this is the default design I imported. But let's just change the image into the shock mount. There you go. And I can also change the text over here. So get a shock mount. So let's just keep it to that. I also have to change the pricings over here to match the offer based on the product I added and the discount I gave. So I'm just going to leave it at that, as this is a tutorial. You can change them to match what you need or the offer you're making. Okay. So let me just publish. Similar to this, you also need to do that for the downsell. So in the downsell, I've offered a pop filter. There you go. I'm just going to keep it simple just for the tutorials. Okay, so now that my funnel is ready, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the funnel journey to show you that how this conditional journey works. So let's just start with the landing page. Let's preview this. There you go. This is the landing page. Let's click on purchase now, and it's going to take me to the checkout. You can see this is the product I offered. Do remember that the content on the landing page, the upsell and downsell, are just dummy content right now, so it doesn't match the offer I made here. You have to change those to match your offer. Okay, so let's scroll down and place the order. And as you can see, it's taking me to the upsell offer. So this is a shock mount. Again, the pricing doesn't match the price of the actual product. When you create this page, you have to customize the content and the design for this. So let's say I don't want the shock mount. Okay, so I'll just choose no. And as you can see, it took me to the downsell offer instead of the thank you page. Had I accepted the upsell offer, it would rather take me to the thank you page. So let's go back and try that out. There you go. Let's purchase now and let's place the order, and it's going to take me to the upsell page. If I accept this, I shouldn't get the downsell offer. So let's just click on yes, I want to buy. And there you go. I'm on the thank you page. So that's how easily you can set up a conditional funnel journey in WPFunnels. So go ahead and start using this feature to make your funnels more meaningful and make personalized offers that people can actually relate to based on their actions throughout your funnel. Okay, So thanks for watching. I'll see you in one of my future videos. Take care.